then you're not doing very well at all here. Right, make sure you catch that one. Thank you, there we go. And they know that if they stay in the air, they're a moving target, and it's much, much harder for anything like that to steal their dinner. They'll also catch themselves insects, doing things exactly the same way. Grab it with their feet, and then just shove it in their mouth. You're too low. Shove it in their mouth as they fly, and they can just stay in the air. You missed that one as well. What is going on with you tonight? There we go. They can just keep flying around, just eating insect after insect, and it saves energy. So they don't have to keep landing and taking off. So they don't end up being as tangled, because let's face it, if you had to land every time you caught a fly and then take off again, you'd actually use more energy doing that than you get from the fly. One last one, catch it this time, Teddy. Yay! And with that, we're going to hear a whistle go from the aviary, and that's it. How did you get a leg? I didn't see you go. That's